Right, son.
Look at what we made. Look at where we going. Hey, everybody wanna see me stop. Breaking down walls, no sheetrock, hot boys.
You are watching the Tyson YouTube channel.
Well, you might recognise this car. I'll insert the clips here that you might have seen on social media and on the news.
Yeah, y'all want smoke and get hit with a detox, coast to coast, been a pro, shoot knee locks. Y'all don't rap the bars, weak those cheap shots. Good, I came through blazing. Call me Kanye, West Craven. Been a villain, I don't need no praising. No cape, I don't do no saving. Hey, look what you made them. Took everything, look what you gave them. I don't do no handouts, bitch. I'ma stand outside till it pan out, bitch. I'm a man.
Well, we've got the job of rebuilding it. So we're going to do a part series of rebuilding this on our channel. So you'll see everything from start to finish. We're going to take all the interior out, we're going to rebuild the engine, do whatever it needs, new wiring, new modules, the lot. Now it's very, very wet in here. Very, very wet, but as it's been in Scarborough Sea, fully submerged. So we expect the worst, and anything that is good is a bonus. As you can see, there is lots of water inside the engine. The inside isn't much better. The doors are very stiff.
Out quick on your chick pick, look at how she fan out, Nick. Life's a trip, but it panned out, even with a man down. Got my whole team of chips. I don't need a grip, I just need a flip and flip that 10 times and we see what it get, yeah. That's why I had a bone to pick, how to control the ship so I can go legit. Let's get it going. Leading the charge, team full of dogs, sinking our teeth, then I'm ripping them all apart. Even when we was counted out, even the odds, leave it to God.
From Scarborough.
I ain't stopping until I get it popping for real. Nick been popping a plea. Your wifey be.
Don't like it still goes to Bentley, that'll rust.
Make up your mind, I got options to get to. I hope it upset you that nobody's stopping me. Went to the bottom and still come to the top of the hill. Surfing the wave and you know it get windy. I'm riding the current and hoping it got me a little. I'm following none, so I'll be used to the feel. Could I use it as fuel? Wait till I stop and reveal. Hey.
Back to the bone if you know you know. Get stupid with the flow if you know you know. LONDON if you know you know. Come through if you wanna roll if you know you know. Back to the bone if you know you know. Get stupid with the flow if you know you know. LONDON if you know you know. Come through if you wanna roll if you know you know. They wanna stop and take a little photo. Style when the bars make them go loco. Maybe we can get down, maybe we don't know what tomorrow brings. Yeah, 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 do you know I follow the wind, I follow my soul. Power is the knowledge and the knowledge is the goal. People when I boss, trilogy is on. Dance till the morning light, everybody's gone. Back to the bone if you know you know. Get stupid with the flow if you know you know. LONDON if you know you know. Come through if you wanna roll if you know you know. Back to the bone if you know you know.
Yep,
Get stupid with
grabbing
the
that
flow
one.
if you know you know. LONDON if you know you know. Come through if you wanna roll if you know you know. But the spirit is the spirit all along. And the spirit knows that everything is wrong, yeah. Now we're bouncing to the rhythm of the song, yeah. Why you think I'm always in the zone, yeah. But the spirit is the spirit all along. And the spirit knows that everything is wrong. Now we're bouncing to the rhythm.
So you see, it is very, very wet. I mean, the weather is helping. we have got 30 odd degrees weather, so that is helping, believe it or not. But there she is. As you can see, she's got some sand. We took the under tray off. As you can see, it's got half a beach on it. We have drained the oil. As you can see, it's a lot of water in it. Unfortunately, the water that's gone in the engine also has sand in it, so it's not good. But again, everything is fixable, so this. Still a bit of seawater in there. I mean, it absolutely stinks. As you see, this window was down, and it is the only door handle that doesn't work. So, to address some people, the comments on this, if it does the views it should do, just be thoughtful when you do post your comments. Someone was stuck and they tried to help them get out, so they were trying to help someone and unfortunately lost out. This is resulting in this car needing a lot of money and a lot of work to put into it to get it back right. Don't forget to subscribe, and the first video will be, we're going to hope for every Friday, but we don't know, depends. We're doing it in our spare time, so I'll see you in the next one.
Hey, look at what we made. Look at where we going. Hey, everybody wanna see me stop. Breaking down walls, no sheetrock. Hot boy steaming off top like teapots. Hey, yeah, y'all want smoke, then get hit with a detox. Coast to coast, been a pro shooting E-locks. Y'all don't rap, the bars weak, those cheap shots.